Welcome to Food and Nutrition Experts, your go-to channel for everything food, nutrition, and healthy living. Here we simplify the science of food and teach practical tips from home economics and food and nutrition, and the amazing health benefits of everyday foods. Whether you are a student, parent, or health enthusiast, this channel is for you. You will find valuable recipes and expert advice to help you eat smart, live well, and thrive naturally. Subscribe now and join us on a journey to better nutrition and a healthier lifestyle. See you there. Hello, welcome back. This is Fatu's Place. Today we're going to prepare Zobo Drink that's made from hibiscus flower. So this is our Zobo, and this is our lemon fruits, and this is our ginger, and this is our negro pepper called Oda, and we're going to use our garlic cloves, and then bay leaves. This type of Zobo is the type of Zobo that we drink during cold weather, when the weather is cold, because it helps to clear the lungs and it helps to remove cold from the body, and it also helps to cure cough and catarrh. So we're going to grind the ginger, then peel the back of the lemon, and then blend it in a blender. Then this one, we're going to put it like that as the Zobo is boiling. Then our garlic, we're going to grind it with the ginger. Then our bay leaf, while boiling the Zobo, we're going to put our bay leaf inside to boil. All these things are the ingredients that helps to reduce cold from the body and helps to heal any kind of lungs disease. Thank you as you watch out how we prepare it. Okay, welcome. It's time to boil our Zobo. Oh, remember that I pounded the ginger and garlic, and then this bay leaf is good because it reduces the symptoms of diabetes, and it also helps in weight loss. So let's start. I'm going to put the Zobo first. I'm going to start boiling. Then the next thing I'm going to put inside the pot is the negro pepper. The negro pepper, I did not pound it, I'm going to put it like this. Then the next is the bay leaf. Then the last ingredient, but not the least, is the ginger and garlic, the pounded ginger and garlic. I'm going to add it to the Zobo and stir it a little bit and cover it to boil. It's going to boil for 20 minutes. When it's done, that's when I'll add the lemon, the grated lemon. Thank you. Welcome back. Now that the Zobo is done, I'm going to allow it to cool, and then sieve and add my sugar and then serve. Thank you. So this is our Zobo. This is the Zobo drink we have made. This Zobo drink is very good in cold weather and very nutritious to the body. Thank you. Enjoy the drink. Try and practice it at home and you will enjoy it. See you next time. Remember, this is Fatu's Place. This is where we prepare lots of things and tell you about nutrition, about the things you need for your body to live, to be healthy. Thank you. Till next time.